Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll describe to you how to create a talking avatar using free Virbo Wondershare AI on your mobile phone.
Get ready to bring your virtual persona to life with our step-by-step guidance. Stay tuned for all the tips and tricks you need.
So without delay, let's jump into the world of Virbo AI. Step 1. Download the Virbo AI video generator app. Search Virbo in the Play Store to download the app. You'll find the app at the beginning of the search results and download it. The Play Store rating is 4.5 out of 5, and it has been downloaded around 1 million times. Step 2. Create an account. After entering the app, you should create an account first. You can easily create an account with your Google account or another email. If you want to create your account with a temporary email address, go to the Chrome browser and search with Temp Mail. Then click on the first option. Here you will get a temporary mail. Now copy the email address and go back to the Virbo AI. After that, paste your email address into the email box, set a random password, and tap on the Create Account button. Step 3. Create a talking avatar. After creating an account, you will see an intuitive interface. Here, you will find around 300 plus avatar models, which are separated by different categories like trending characters, stylized, casual, professional, fantasy, regional, and festive characters. Then, select your desired avatar first, or you can also upload your own photos here. I'm selecting a trendy YouTuber avatar, which you will find at the beginning of this video. Okay, fine. Now, I will describe the process of creating my intro. After selecting the avatar, you will get a short demo video to help you choose your desired character. Next, click on the Create button and find an editing interface here. Here you will find an audio recording tool with a wide range of languages, including Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, French, Russian, Italian, Hindi, and more than 20 others. After selecting your language, you will have 2 voice import options, audio recording and upload audio. If you want to record your own voice, tap on the microphone icon and record your audio clip. Otherwise, upload an audio clip from your device. Now, you will find the most trending AI tools called text-to-video generators. First, click on the text option and you will get a script box. Here, paste or write your desired script. I am writing my intro script here. Don't worry, if you are a beginner or don't have any experience or ideas for writing a video script, this app provides a solution tool for you named AI Script. It can help you create scripts and bring your ideas to life. Then you can see a collection of voices bottom of the page, such as marketing, lively, composed, soothing, female voice, male voice, and various language-based voices. Play them one by one and choose a voiceover for your current video.
Wondershare Virbo.
Wondershare Virbo.
Wondershare Virbo.
I selected the English as a Jacob voice. After choosing a voiceover, you can also customize the voice speed, volume level, and voice tone. The preview option of the voice takes your voice customization to the next level. Once everything is done, hit the Generate button. It takes a few seconds to generate your aspect video. Here is your final video.
Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll describe to you how to create a talking avatar using free Virbo Wondershare AI on your
In the end, tap the Save button and it saves your video on your phone's gallery. You can also publish the video on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or other social websites with the app. If you want to remove the watermark from this video, purchase the premium membership with a little payment, otherwise play some ninja tricks. Finally, you create a talking avatar using free Virbo Wondershare AI on your mobile phone. Besides these features, you will also get an impressive tool called AI Avatar. In this feature, you will get a huge collection of avatars and more than 200 templates. By using this feature, you can create commercial advertisements and different types of explainer videos with just some clicks. Let's check out a short ad.
Discover our spectacular eyewear sale. Enjoy unbeatable discounts on stylish, high-quality frames and lenses. Enhance your vision and make a fashion statement now.
If you want to get a detailed video about this outstanding tool, inform me in the comment box. Then click on the AI Tools option. Here you can see different types of trending tools such as video translator, text-to-speech, topic-to-video, and AI script. If you want to generate your video's language in a foreign language, the video translator is the perfect tool for this reason. First, click on the upload option, and you should upload your desired video here. Then select your original language, and then choose the translated language. Here you will find 20+ languages like Spanish, German, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, Hindi, and many more. After selecting your transformed language, hit the translate button. But this tool completely includes the premium version. So if you want to get this essential tool, subscribe with a little payment. Don't worry, the next 3 outstanding tools are completely free for you. Number 1. Text-to-speech tool. This tool offers around 300+ voiceovers in different languages and accents, such as hot, marketing, lively, composed, soothing, female voice, male voice, and various language-based voices. Select one of them and click on the convert option. Now you can import your script in the text box. Then you will find 2 options at the bottom of the page. One is the preview button and another is the create button. If you want to create a new video, hit the create button and choose the video's ratio, portrait or landscape. Portrait mode is dedicated to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram shots, and landscape mode is for YouTube videos. After that, you can generate an attractive video by following the previous steps. Number 2. Topic to video tool. This is a cool tool, and that is completely free for everyone. First, import your video's topic name and select the gender status. Then hit the enter button. It takes a few minutes to generate your topic-based video with just one click.
Welcome to our team. We're thrilled to have you on board. This video will guide you through our company culture.
After that, you can easily save this video to your device and also publish it on various social websites or other apps. Number 3. AI script. It is one of the most effective tools for new content creators. Without any experience or editing skills, anyone can bring their ideas to life with this tool. First, you should select your language and enter your product name. Suppose I want to make my channel's advertisement video, so my product name is Apps Lockup. Then select the text style and enter some key points, like reviewing the best apps for Android users, finding out the cool and essential apps, and giving guidelines for the students. Then click on the generate button and get a meaningful script within a few seconds. After that, copy that and paste it into your video's text box. You can also generate a video by clicking the create button here. Each account can use the free AI script generator 20 times. Alright friends, how was the video? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. To get daily updates on incredible mobile apps, hit the like button and subscribe now. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Goodbye.